Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. So before starting today's video, let me tell you that you will get all the solutions in the Telegram group. The link is given in the description. You will also find the link in the comment section. So do join it to get the solutions in C++ as well as in Java. Now let's jump into the problem. Today's POTD is about juggler sequence. Now let's solve this. So the problem here states that we are given with a number n. Now the task is to find the sequence of terms for this particular number. Until and unless it becomes 1, we are going to find the terms in this sequence. So in the question, what we are given? We are given with this particular formula. We are given with this particular formula, and now we need to utilize this formula to get our sequence having all these terms. So what we are going to do is, we will check if my this term is even or odd. If it is even, what we will do? We will apply this formula. If my term is odd, we will apply this formula. Until when? Until and unless my term becomes 1, we are going to add the terms in the sequence. So now let's have a dry run to have a better understanding. So my n is 9 now. This is my first term. Add this into your answer. Now check, is 9 1? No, it is not 1. So we will have more terms. Let's find out the next term now. Is my 9 even or odd? It is odd. So we will apply this formula. Apply. What is 9 to the power 3 by 2? How to get this? Can we write this as this way? Is this and this one same? Yes, this is same. So what is 9 to the power 3? It is 7 to 9. Now find out the square root. It becomes 27. Up, update my n. N was earlier 9. Now it becomes 27. Push this into your answer. Fine. Is my next term, that is this n, odd or even? It is odd. So we will again apply this formula. Apply 27 to the power 3 by 2. Again, you can find this in this way. So after calculating this, you will get this as your answer. So update our n to 140. Now it becomes 140. Also add this 140 to your answer. Now what? Is my 140 odd or even? It is even. So which formula to apply? We will apply this formula. We will apply this formula. So apply. It now becomes 140 to the power 1 by 2. After calculating this, you will get 11. Now update this n to 11 and push it into your answer. Let's find out the next term. Is my 11 odd or even? It is odd. So you will again apply this formula. 11 to the power 3 by 2. This gives you 36. So this is my next term. Update your n to 36 and add it into your sequence. Now, is my 36 1? No, it is not equals to 1. So we are having next terms. So let's find out the next term. Is my 36 odd or even? It is even. So which formula to apply? This formula. Apply. Square root of 36 is 6. Now, update your n to 6. My next term will be 6. Add this into your sequence. Again, is my 6 odd or even? It is even. So which formula to apply? This one. So, find the square root of 6. You will get 2. My next term is 2. Update your n to 2 and push this next term 2 to your sequence. Now, is my 2 odd or even? It is even. So which formula to apply? This formula of even. So square root of 2 gives me what? 1. This is my next term. Push this to your sequence and my n is updated to 1. Now check for 1. Wait, my 1 is equals to 1. That means I need to stop here. Why? Because we need to find the sequence for this number n equals to 9 until and unless we get 1. We have got our term as 1, so we will stop here. Now let's see how to implement the code. So we will take our answer where we will store the terms, that is these terms, we will store these terms. Why I am doing this? Because the first term starts with a positive integer number a. So my first term is always included. So this number is always included into your sequence. That's why I am adding this term into your answer. Now proceed. While my n not equals to 1, until and unless my n is not equals to 1, what I will do? I will check if my n is even or odd. So let's check for the even part first. This is how you will check your even. If the remainder is coming to be 0, that means it is even. If the remainder is not 0, that means it is odd. So now my n becomes, can we write 1 by 2 as 0.5? Because if you calculate this 1 by 2, you will get the value 0.5. So we can write this as 0.5. Fine. Now this was the case for even. Now let's find out the case for odd. What we are asked for odd? We will apply this formula for odd. So let's apply. Can we write 3 by 2 as 1.5? Because you will get the value as 1.5. Now, at last what you will do? You will push your answer, your term into your sequence, that is my answer. You are pushing at last the terms, the n value into your sequence, that is my answer. At last, return the answer. So we are getting correct output. Now let's submit. So yes, we have earned 1 gigabit. So do subscribe the channel to get more such coins popping up on your screen. I will be maintaining the streak from now on. So if you want to do the same and conquer DSA with me, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like and share this with your friends. Thanks a lot for watching. I will see you guys again tomorrow.